Now, where's Crestview? Bethany's. Florence? Oh, okay.
Across from.
There by Target, isn't it?
Mhm.
Thing goes near the Target store.
I think that's it, ain't it?
Well, they need.
That's where she is.
Oh, that's Luke. That's like Luke there.
Crestview Hills might be over behind you.
Yeah, I just went over
Shopping
there
mall.
by Thomas.
Are you taking your baby for a walk?
Hi, Julie.
No, no pictures.
It's not a picture, it's video.
Huh? What do we do?